We will start in 3 to 5 minutes. Just let me know in the chat box if you can hear me. Those who are on Zoom right now. Those who are on YouTube, if you want, you can also join on Zoom. Okay, if you want to have a discussion. Okay, so right now the participation, like you can do the participation on Zoom as well. Yes. Okay. Thank you for the confirmation of audio. I will be on mute for some time and then we will start. We will start in 2 minutes. Some more students are joining for the session and then we will start. Okay, so let's start. Just let me start the audio and video. Okay. Just let me know in the chat box, guys, if you can hear me properly. So right now, just let me tell you one thing. On Zoom, I have kept the chat box open so you can message me. On YouTube, right now, the chat box is disabled. Okay, so you cannot message me or you cannot chat on YouTube. So if you want to switch from YouTube to Zoom, you can do that. I have shared both the links whenever you were registering, or you might have got both the links on your WhatsApp. Okay. So if you wish to switch from YouTube to Zoom, that is also fine. If you want to continue with YouTube, that is also fine. No problem. Okay. Right now, just I have kept the chat box option off over there. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So I guess I have got the confirmation that you are able to hear me properly. Okay. So we will start with the session. Just give me one moment. Just give me. Kavya is saying not audible. Kavya, okay. Click on join audio. Everyone, click on join audio. Yes, just I'm telling to those not audible. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys. So let us start with the very important session. Okay. Before starting, I would like to know your graduation batch. So in the chat box, those who are on Zoom right now, let me know your graduation batch. 25, 26, 25, 26, 27. That's great. 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 27, 26, 25, 26, 27. Majority of the crowd is 2025 batch, which I can understand, okay, because they are having their placement exams in like next 1 or 2 months. Some 2026 students are there, some 2027 batch students are also there. It is great. Okay, we will be discussing all the things. Now, before starting with this session, right now we are having students from different colleges across India. Okay, so initially, what I will do, I will quickly have quick introduction about me and my platform, and then we will start with the session. There can be some students who are totally new to our platform. Some of you already know me and my platform. Okay, but if you are new to the platform, quickly I will share our introduction and then move to the next point. Okay. Now, quick story. Talent Battle is basically a campus recruitment training company where we provide different type of trainings. We conduct offline training at various colleges across India. We provide online training to the students as well as directly to the colleges, and we have our dashboard as well. Right now, we basically this is our 11th year into the campus recruitment training. We started back in 2013. Earlier, the name of our platform was different. Right now on our platform, we have students from more than 5,000 colleges who are using our platform. On YouTube also, we have 2,63,000 plus subscribers. Okay. And then like on our registered platform, we have more than 5 lakh students. In this particular journey, I'm really happy to share it with you that we have changed the lives of more than 70,000 families with the placement opportunities that they got. Okay. And we have been partnered with multiple companies for referral opportunities, as well as we are associated with different colleges for the trainings. Okay. Quick information about me. I'm Ajinkya Kulkarni, co-founder of this particular company. I graduated back in 2013. Then in the same year, I started this particular company. I have worked in TCS earlier as a software developer. When I was working at TCS, won couple of awards. I took a break actually from the business for 1 year when I was working in TCS. And then again, I resigned from the company and started this venture or continued with this venture. So far, more than 300 plus offline trainings we have covered at different colleges. Okay. One more thing I'm really happy to share with you that we are partnered with TCS Ion for the content part. So you might be knowing, 2025 batch students may be knowing it more, that there is TCS paid NQT exam, which you can take and then you get the job opportunities. So for that exam, TCS provides you aptitude, coding, DSA, DBMS material, content, videos. That particular content has been created by my Talent Battle team. Okay, so you can check the quality of content that we provide, that TCS Ion also provides it to their students, and then some of the websites on which also we have been featured. Now, guys, now definitely we are going to discuss about the placement cracker sheet. We are going to discuss the multiple things which are involved in it, like aptitude, coding, DSA, then DBMS. Okay, everything we are going to discuss. But we need to start from very basic. Okay, very basic. Now, what do I mean by that? Everyone, please check. Okay, first, I would like to know. Okay, you are right now able to see the quote on this particular screen, right? When the why is clear, the how is easy. So those who are right now can chat or send message to me on Zoom. Okay, you can tell me what do you think about it. Again, I'm repeating two things. Okay, right now we are running this particular live session on two platforms. One is Zoom, second is YouTube. Okay, so on Zoom the chat box is open, so you can send me messages. On YouTube right now the chat box is off. Okay, later on if required I will open it. Okay, now basically the quote which I have mentioned, when the why is clear, the how is easy. So the meaning of this particular reason, meaning of this particular quote you can consider, you need to know the reason why you are doing a particular thing. Or maybe some of you are just running behind like others that, okay, you want to achieve this goal, but you don't know your true reason. Similarly, you want to achieve one particular goal of placement, right? Maybe 5 LPA, 10 LPA, 15 LPA, or you want placement opportunity. But what is the core reason? Ask yourself, guys. I will give you maybe 30 to 40 seconds. Ask yourself, think, okay, why you need the placement opportunity, why you want the job opportunity. And then once you think about it, you can tell me in the chat box, what is the topmost reason, what is the topmost why that you are having to get the job opportunity. Tell me in the chat box. Those who are on YouTube, you can also think about it, okay? And later on, when I will share the answers, you can confirm it. Mahesh is saying money and exposure, financial stability of the family, correct, to help the family, stable life, better future, professional growth, earn money. Parents 8 lakh should not go in waste. Okay, yes, to develop the business, not to waste time after graduation, financial help to parent, independent, financial freedom, learning and putting theory into this practical life, getting money. That's great. That's great. Many time what happens, guys, we are not aware about the reason that why we are doing a particular activity. And that is the reason we are not able to give your 100 percentage. Just to give you one example, okay, you might have seen 12th fail movie, right? That movie, like which became very popular earlier, right? So he was having a particular reason that why he needed that success, okay, or that particular exam, why he needed to crack that particular exam opportunity, okay. So that reason was so powerful that he was able to give his 100 percentage efforts on a continuous basis, and he ultimately got the success. Similarly, you need to think what is the topmost reason, as some of you have already mentioned in the chat box. That is really great. So think about that reason whenever next time you feel that you want to give up or you don't want to study for the next 2 to 3 months. Why I have mentioned this particular screen on like at the start? Because 2025 batch students, you need to understand the next 50 to 60 days are the most crucial days of your life, of your career. Earlier, whatever may have happened, okay, it does not matter. But how you are going to deal in this next 50 to 60 days is going to matter a lot. Okay, suppose some of you might have not studied at all, that is also fine. But if you put your 100 percentage efforts for the next 50, 60 days, you are going to change your life in a positive way, I'm saying. Okay, so just one thing also I would like to tell you, may have seen some of the seniors of 2023, 2022, or even the previous batches who are still looking for the job opportunity. So right now, just imagine what struggle they might be going through. Okay, if you don't want to go into that situation, then it is better to take action right now. So that is the reason I put this particular slide for you to understand what exactly is your reason why you are doing this particular activity. Then you will get motivation to put your 100 percentage efforts. Okay. Now, I'm going to quickly discuss the different stages of preparation, and then I will show you the placement tracker sheet as well, which I have created. Okay. Now, guys, there are 3 to 4 different stages of the preparation. You might be planning for different companies, right? Maybe some of you want service-based company, maybe some of you want product-based company, maybe some of you are totally okay with any package that you get, like maybe 3 LPA, 5 LPA, 10 LPA, you are comfortable. Some of you can be there who want only more than 10 LPA. Anything is fine, okay? No problem with that. You can choose anything, okay? Guys, whatever general queries you are having, okay, I will cover in some time, okay? Let me continue with this particular presentation right now. So what is the stage one of preparation? The stage one of the preparation is it involves aptitude. In aptitude, what do you have? Quantitative, logical reasoning, verbal ability. More than 90 percentage of the companies are going to ask you questions on aptitude. So you cannot skip it. Okay. Even if you check, the name of this particular sheet which I have given is like placement cracker sheet. It is not only aptitude sheet or coding sheet or DSA sheet. You need to understand, if you want to grab the opportunities, you need to do all the things rather than just focusing on a particular part. Okay. So what you need to do over here, first is aptitude. There are around 50 topics which are important. But in those 50 topics, which are the topmost topics, maybe 25 topics are there. I'm going to share you the list as well, which you can go through. Okay. Next is programming language. Now, right now, 2025 batch students, what you can do, you can choose one particular programming language. It can be CPP or Java or Python, and then you can work on what I can say, data structure related part as well. Now, those students who belong to 2026 and 2027, I would recommend you to go for two languages. One can be C, another can be one object-oriented language. It can be CPP, Java, or Python. Okay, but 2025 batch students, you are having less time, so you cannot spend time on learning two new languages if you have not started earlier. So one language which is object oriented, it can be CPP, Java, or Python, and then go for DSA. Now DSA also will depend upon like how much in detail you need to go for DSA. It will depend upon which type of companies you are targeting. Suppose if you are targeting the companies which are around 5 LPA, 7 LPA, or maybe 3 LPA, okay, then maybe like medium, basic to medium level of DSA can be fine. But if you are targeting top companies, product-based companies, maybe about 20 LPA, then you need advanced level of DSA as well, along with the competitive coding knowledge. Okay, so that will also matter. And then in the stage one, what you will have interview preparation, like technical interview, personal interview, management interview, and then the resume preparation. So guys, right now, whatever is your situation of the preparation, these four stages will be on the top priority. If you ask me, should I do computer networks right now? Should I do operating systems right now? Or should I do maybe any other subject, maybe database as well? It is not the top priority. What is the top priority, which is right now on your screen? Aptitude, one programming language, DSA, and then you will go for interview and resume preparation. Once you do this, then the next steps will come. Is it clear, guys? If it is clear, just type CC crystal clear in the chat box so I can go on the next slide. Stage one of the preparation is clear. Okay, great, great, great. Thank you, thank you. Okay, I will move to the next slide. Yes. Stage two will come about the company specific part. Okay. One student is asking DSA. DSA is data structure and algorithm. Okay, data structure and algorithm, which you need to study. Now, in company specific part, yes, Naman, we will be discussing about it as well. I'm right now talking about the first level stage. Okay. Now, second stage will come. Now, what will happen? Those students who belong to 2025 batch, in next month or next to next month, you are going to have some on-campus opportunities, or there can be some off-campus opportunities as well if the market becomes good. Okay. Now, in that case, what will happen? You need to focus. Suppose if your college training and placement officer tells you that Accenture is going to visit our college. So what you will do is you will directly start searching about previous year questions of Accenture, correct? So before that, your foundation or the stage one should be ready. Once you're done with the stage one, in stage two, suppose if your training and placement officer tells you that, okay, this particular company is going to visit our college, you just need to solve their previous year questions. Okay, so maybe Accenture, maybe Infosys, TCS, Cognizant, whichever company is coming, solve their last 2 to 3 years of question. Okay, then it will be fine. Some students are asking me about important topics of DSA as well that I have covered into the placement cracker sheet, which I am going to show you. So don't worry about it. Detailed topic wise, each and every information is available. Just stay till the end. I will share you. Okay. Next part, which will come into this particular stage two, is the mock interviews. Now, how many of you guys feel that, okay, you're a bit worried about the interview part, that you feel you may not be able to give your 100% effort? How many of you are worried about interviews? Okay, think about it. Yes, no, yes, no. Okay, most of the students are saying yes only. Okay, I have not seen any no yet. Okay, so most of the students are worried about the interview. That is fine, because you need to understand, guys, it is not only about the first round. It is not only about aptitude and coding. If you perform well in aptitude coding, if you crack the technical interview as well, but suppose just if you are not prepared or if you don't know how to crack the personal interview, you may go out of the particular process. So you need to understand, guys, if you get rejected in HR interview, or if you get rejected into the first aptitude round, the result is same, right? You are rejected only. So you need to understand, you need to prepare end to end, like from starting from the first round aptitude till the mock interviews. You need to prepare for each and every company. So in stage two, your focus should be more on mock interviews. So you should practice the interviews with the experts, whether it is technical interview or whether it is personal interviews. Just to give you idea, you might be knowing that your senior batch, 2024 batch, is right now having TCS interviews. Okay, So right now also we are conducting so many mock interviews on a continuous basis, which is helping them before the actual interview. Okay, so that is also very important. Now stage 3 will come for the profile building part. Okay, so if you want to go for the companies which are providing you higher packages, higher roles, okay, or maybe if you can say like companies like a product based companies, then they will expect you to have latest technology knowledge. Now the latest technology knowledge can be like either full stack or maybe data science, AI, ML, maybe robotics, maybe cloud computing, AWS. It can be anything. Whatever you have studied, you can tell them. Okay. Now, just to give you an idea, since I was earlier mentioning about the TCS part, for TCS, they provide higher packages like TCS Digital is there, which provides 7 lakhs per annum. TCS Prime is there, which provides around 9 lakhs per annum. So for these two roles, they asked the candidates about the latest technology part. Okay, they ask the students that do you know any latest technology, and then they go in detail. So what you need to do, you need to understand if you have any knowledge or if you don't have, and if you get any time, try to study some latest technologies which will be helpful for you for the product based companies or higher packages. Similarly, guys, you already might have done some academic projects, correct? You might have done second year, third year, final year project, right? But along with those projects, how many extra projects that you have done? Now, these extra hobby projects can be minor projects, mini projects as well. No problem with that. Okay, mini projects, medium projects, or advanced level projects. But if you have done some extra project, it creates a lot of value during interview time. Projects are going to be helpful to you during interview time. So just to give you some examples, like when some students do, we also provide different projects to the students. So when they do extra projects, and if you tell the interviewer in the introduction itself that apart from the academics, I have done 6 extra projects. I'm just giving you an example. Okay. Then most of the interview will happen on the projects itself. And it is very beneficial to have interview on projects rather than some random subjects. So this will be stage 3. Now, guys, you need to understand why I have given names like stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, because this is priority list. If any of you ask me, should I do any extra projects from today or should I learn some latest technology from today? My answer will be strictly no. Why? Because in the priority list, the first priority is aptitude, programming language, DSA, and interview preparation. Then you will have company specific preparation. Then if you get time, you will go to the latest technologies and additional projects. Why I am saying this, guys? Because you need to understand where your projects will come into the picture or where your latest technology knowledge will come into the picture during interviews. But when you will go to interviews, if you crack the aptitude and coding round, so if you do not prepare for the first round, then there is no use directly jumping to the projects. Okay. So I hope the priority list is clear. Is it clear, guys? Just type CC crystal clear in the chat box. Guys, whatever general queries you have, I will cover at the end. Okay. Yes, okay, thank you. Why I'm asking again and again to confirm whether it is clear to you or not, because I want to make sure no one is getting misled. Okay, no one is getting some misunderstanding. Okay, so they should understand what is the top priority and then they should go for the next part. Now, there can be some students in this particular session who have already completed aptitude or who have already completed DSA. Then you can jump to the next stage. Okay, no problem with that. Just one line I will add, those students who belong to 2026 batch and 2027 batch, what will be your priority list? You will complete the stage 1. If you want, you can take a screenshot as well. Okay. You will complete the stage 1. 2026 and 2027 batch will directly jump to stage 3. Right now, you will not do stage 2. Okay. Stage 3. And when you will enter into your final year, then you will do stage 2. But for 2025 batch, majority of the students in this session are from 2025 batch. You need to go stage 1, then stage 2, stage 3. Okay. Now, next question I'm having for you. Okay. You need to answer. Okay. Those students who are on YouTube, right now chat box is not open, so you cannot answer. But just think about the questions which I'm going to ask you. Okay. First question. What is the current status of your aptitude preparation? My question is not over. I'm going to give you some option as well. Okay. Aptitude involves quantitative, logical, verbal. Different topics are there. you need to go through different topics, shortcuts, solve some practice question. So if I give you three options, first option, like one, for you have not started at all. Two is you're between 20 to 50 percentage. Three is maybe 50 to 80. I will give you four. And four is basically above 80 percentage. So one is not started at all. Two is like around 30 to 50 percentage. Three is around 50 to 80 percentage. And four is above 80 percentage. You are almost done with the aptitude. Not started at all. Option one, option one. Very few students between 50 to 80. Some students are around 2, some students are around 3. Okay, you don't need to you just need to be honest with yourself, guys. I'm not going to provide you some extra marks for giving some answers. Okay, you just need to ask yourself what is the current status you are having, whether you are at level 1, level 2, level 3, or level 4, and accordingly you need to plan your preparation. Okay, most of the students who have said right now are around 1, 2. Okay, few students are around 3. Okay, which is fine, which is a good stage right now. Okay, next, let us discuss about the coding part, programming language part. Tell me the level. DSA, I will ask you separately. What is the level of the knowledge or preparation you have for programming language? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have already told you the meaning of it. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 as well. Okay, that's good. That's good. 3, 4. Okay, some students for coding, I guess many students have started the preparation rather than aptitude. Okay, so that is good to know. Okay, some students are around 2, some are 3, some are 0 as well. I have not given 0, but I got your what you want to say. Okay, got it, got it. Now tell me about the DSA part, guys. What is the status? How much you have studied DSA? 2, 4, 3, 1, 0. Okay, looking like dialing a number. Okay, 1, 2, 0, 3. Many students are at 3, which is good. Okay, only know the concepts. Okay, not prepared much. Okay, 2.5. Okay, very detailed. Okay, yes, got it. I got the idea, guys. Okay, so many students, I guess majority of the students have not started aptitude that much. Okay, coding and DSA, some of you have started, which is a good thing. Okay, just you need to prepare as per the company standards. Okay, whatever they are expecting. The next question or next thing which you need to plan is about the interview rounds. Okay, guys, whatever general queries you are having, I will cover at the end. Don't worry about it. Okay, so interview round. Okay, whether you are aware about which type of questions are asked during technical interview, which type of questions are asked during personal interview, and have you prepared those answers? If you have prepared those answers, really well and good. Okay, if you have not prepared, you first need to study it and then you need to practice the mock interviews for it. Okay, that is very important. Okay, and the last point will come about the resume part. Okay, most of you, I feel you might have one resume ready, but I guess most of you are not having updated resume. You might have created that into third year, first sem or second semester, and still you are using it. Okay, the problem, what happens when the company drive will come and you will not have that much time to update your resume, you will give your previous resume which is not that much updated and it will create a problem. Okay, personally, whatever doubt you are having, I will cover at the end. Don't worry about it. Okay, let me just continue with the part right now. So guys, the reason why you need to have updated resume, because in next 30 days, 50 days, at any moment of time, your college can tell you that you are having the placement opportunity, and then directly they will ask you for your resume. At that time, you cannot edit it. Okay, very few students I can see they have updated resume. Other students, you need to do it. Okay, so this particular screen or slide was to give you idea what is the current status. Many students are not aware or they do not think what is the level of preparation I have done. Okay, once you get idea where you stand, and then you can plan for the next activities. Okay, now what are your target companies? So accordingly also we need to plan for how you are going to use the placement cracker sheet. Okay, so there are different companies, maybe service based companies can be there which provide you around 5 LPA. There can be some companies between 5 to 10 LPA, and more than 10 LPA involves different companies, man companies, product based companies, or even some companies like some startups also provide you around 15 to 20 LPA. Right now the market condition is not that much optimistic. Okay, like very less such opportunities are there. in the year 2021, 2022, there were so many opportunities. Just to give you an idea, the students from our masterclass also used to have like 6 to 8 different offers of different companies. But last year, you might have seen your senior batch as well. There is like some issues with the recession. Okay. So not many opportunities are available. The number of opportunities which are available are less. And unfortunately, I feel 2025 batch students will also face that situation. Okay. At least for the next 6 to 7 months. After that, if market improves, then the number of opportunities will improve. But does that mean, okay, does that mean you are not going to get any placement opportunity? No. Your college, either you will have on-campus opportunity or there will be few off-campus opportunities. So it is 100% fixed that you are going to get opportunities, but the number of opportunities will be less as compared to maybe previous 3 to 4 batches. Okay. Now you need to understand if the number of opportunities are less, then you need to prepare more, right? Because the competition will be more. Many students, what they do, they say, or your seniors also, if you are not in a good, if you are not having good seniors, okay, what they will say that anyhow the companies are not visiting, why to study? Okay. If you keep that attitude, definitely no one is going to help you with the placement opportunities. Okay. You need to think, okay, there will be some 2 to 3 opportunities that I am going to get for sure. Okay. I need to make sure I get a job into those opportunities. So if the opportunities are less, the preparation should be maximum. Okay, preparation should be double or 3 times. That you need to understand. Okay, now next. Objective of the placement cracker sheet. Okay, basically the first objective is to crack the job opportunity as soon as possible, like within 40 days, 50 days, or whenever you are having opportunity. That should be the first thing which we need to do. Okay, and also one objective is to go for higher CTC offers. I will show you the placement cracker sheet and then you will get the idea about it. Okay, now what are the rules of placement cracker sheet? Okay, first thing is cost to company, Hamid. Okay, basically the salary package you can consider. Okay, so first thing, the placement cracker sheet, basically you need to provide your 100% of sincere efforts. Whatever plan I'm going to share with you, if you just follow it, after 50 days or whenever you have the first opportunity, you are going to tell me that this particular placement cracker sheet helped me to get a job. Okay, and I'm 100% sure about that. Just what I want from your side is 100% sincere efforts. Okay, second thing, have patience. Okay, please do not expect that you will get great result within a week or within 2 weeks. Okay, it is a long process. You need to dedicate 3 to 4 hours for next 50 to 60 days. If you have not studied earlier, if you have earlier studied aptitude and coding, then maybe putting 2 hours for next 2 months can be fine. But suppose if you have not studied at all, you need to be ready to put 3 to 4 hours. You can manage. You can definitely get the opportunity even if you have not started earlier. But you should be ready to put the efforts, okay? And need to have patience. Second thing is like no excuses, guys. Okay, you need to understand this is your top priority. Some of you might be doing some internships right now. Some of you might be doing some projects or some any other extra thing. Okay, you need to understand getting a job is the topmost priority you have in your life for next 2 to 3 months. Nothing else will come closer. Nothing else, I'm saying. Though you might be planning for your MTech, MBA, MS, or any other career opportunity, still in the current market situation, it is always better to have a backup job opportunity. So whatever is your career plan, make sure you at least have one job opportunity before you graduate. That is very important. Okay. Next thing is follow study plan. Okay. So one question I'm having. Okay. So I'm going to show you the placement cracker sheet. But before that, I want to ask you, are you ready to put your 100% efforts? Tell me. Yes, 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 definitely. Yes. Those who are on YouTube, maybe you can ask yourself the same question, whether you are genuinely ready, not just to tell it to me, okay, but you need to tell it to yourself, whether you are ready or not. Okay, great, great, great. Now let us start with the placement cracker sheet. Just give me one moment. I will share you the screen. I will share that particular screen. Tell me in the chat box if you can see this particular Google sheet. I'm going to explain each and everything in detail. Great, great, great. Okay. Yes, I will continue now. So I have given you some instructions as well, how you need to use this particular placement cracker sheet. Okay. And then we will discuss like what I have mentioned. Okay. First thing. So I will quickly read the instructions. Okay. The first instruction, this particular placement cracker sheet will help you to prepare for upcoming placement opportunities. Yes, I'm going to share the link as well. Right now, let me explain it. Okay. Just let me know if you are able to read it. I will just zoom it. Okay. Okay, I hope you're able to read it as well. Okay, yes. So next thing, you can refer any placement platform. This is again very important. You can refer any placement platform to cover the mentioned content in given sheet. Definitely, I have provided you the list of aptitude, coding, DSA, DBMS topics. So you can choose any platform. You can choose YouTube, or maybe you might be having some offline training as well, which is happening at your college, or you might have joined some other platforms as well. No problem. Ultimately, you need to ensure you are going through all the data that I have given. Okay, if you are already our masterclass student, like from Talent Battle, whatever content I have mentioned is going to be on your dashboard, so you don't need to refer any other platform. Okay, next, very important, you can make any changes to the given placement cracker sheet. Okay, now if it is not compulsory to follow the same document. Okay, just give me one moment. Okay. It is not compulsory to follow the same sheet as it is, but if you are confused, like some of you might be confused, I know about it. Okay. Just follow the given schedule. That is fine. Okay. Next, please check below crack sheet for placement preparation. You need to enter the date as well. I will tell you about it. Okay. Next, you can choose any programming language to continue with the preparation. C or CPP or Java or Python, and you have to complete the data structure content as well. Let me just edit it. Okay. Yes. Next, you will get frequent reminders from our side about your performance. Please follow this timetable sincerely. If you have any exams or other work in between, you can take a break and then continue with it. Okay. This cracker sheet is to help you to get the best results in organized way. Okay. Or you can make some changes as well. So now I am going to the actual placement cracker sheet. Just give me one moment. Okay. What I have done, guys, whenever you are preparing for the placement, okay, there are some mandatory things which you need to do, and there are some optional things that you need to do. Okay. Yes, I'm going to share. Okay, don't worry. Just wait for some time. I'm going to share it. Okay. So, which are the mandatory things that you need to do that I have mentioned from the aptitude part as well as from the technical part. Okay. So, let me first explain how you need to use it. So, later on, it won't be a problem. Okay. So, there are serial numbers that I have mentioned. You need to enter the date as well whenever you complete any task. And then in the mandatory things for the aptitude part, okay, or even for the technical part, if you have already studied a particular topic, you can skip it and go to the next part. Okay, what I have done, I have given you some check boxes as well. So for example, day one, you need to study percentage topic. Yes, later on I'm going to share it in group as well into your individual WhatsApp number as well. Don't worry. Okay. So just have patience for some time. Okay. So suppose if you study percentage topic, maybe from any other platform or maybe from YouTube, or if you are from Battle, you can do it from Masterclass as well. Okay. Once you do that, you need to click on status that you have completed this. Okay. This topic is done. If you have attempted mock test, you can click on this as well. Why I have specifically given importance to mock test? Because many students, you might have got idea how to solve percentage questions, but when it comes to the actual test, some of you are not able to solve it within the given time limit. So for that, I have mentioned to attempt the mock test. So if it is possible for you, attempt the mock test of each and every topic. It will help you a lot with the time management. Okay. Now on the day two, what I have mentioned, I have mentioned some concepts of coding as well. Okay, which concepts you need to go through. So similarly, day three, day four. So the most important aptitude and the coding concepts I have mentioned over here. If you check, there is one part where you need to update your resume as well. So if you just follow this on day 16 or day 17, you will be working on your resume. You can go through the resume sessions as well. Okay, to understand how you need to create a resume. You can go through some important resume formats as well. And on that day, your task will be to update the resume, nothing else. So basically, this particular placement cracker sheet will help you to give a structured, organized way of preparation rather than doing some random things and getting confused. Okay. Same way, you will be working one by one with the data structure related concepts as well. I have mentioned all the concepts. So tentatively, if you check, I will just go down. Okay. Service, I will mention about it. Okay. Around 54 to 55 days will be required to complete the stage 1. But over here, I have considered if you put 2 hours on day-to-day basis. If you put around 3 to 4 hours on a continuous basis, some of you will be able to finish it within 30 to 40 days. And that should be your target. Okay. Because 2025 batch students around July end, you may start getting the opportunities from the college. Some of you might have already got the information, but later also, like if you have, you need to be ready. Your target should be July end. That till 31st July, I should be ready with the first stage, whatever topics I have mentioned. So wherever you come, whenever you complete any topic, just click on the checkbox. Okay. How to use it, I will tell you in some time, like how you can download it. I will give you idea. So this is about the stage 1 or the foundation stage that we have mentioned. Okay. Those who belong to Talent Battle, I have given you the login links as well. Okay. Second part about the coding preparation. Now you have studied one particular programming language. You have gone through the DSA as well. Okay. Now the next question you will have, I want to practice the coding question. So you again don't need to look here and there. I have already given you around 100 coding statements over here, which starts from very basic like hello world kind of program. And then slowly we have included or we have increased the difficulty level. So right over here, I have added around 100 coding statements for you to prepare. Is it clear whatever I'm saying, guys? Just type CC. So the second tab that you can see over here, coding and DSA sheet, I have added around 100 coding statements. Yes, there are multiple coding sheets which are available into the market, into the industry. You might be also following that. That is great. No problem with it. Okay. But suppose if you don't want to get confused, I have added all the different coding statements which are important to you over here only. Okay. Third part, we will go to database management. But database management is not the top priority. The top priority, aptitude, programming language, and then DSA, and then the interview preparation. So for a database as well, I have mentioned the topic-wise important concepts that you need to know. Okay, so what you can do later on, once I will give you the access to this particular document, you can check how many concepts you know from the database. Okay, so you can click whenever you complete. If you don't know, in your time, okay, like after 50 days, whenever you are getting time for database management, you can go for it. Okay, and the next part will come is advanced DSA. Those who want to go for product-based companies, okay, or maybe about 10 LPA, 15 LPA. Okay, so I have covered the concepts for that as well. Which concepts companies are expecting, like dynamic programming, then along with that, advanced graph algorithms, advanced sorting and searching algorithm. So I have added all those concepts as well over here. Okay. So what you can do whenever you start with it, just continue clicking. Okay, I have completed this particular topic. So later on, you can just cross check which things I have covered and which things are remaining. Okay, so this is about DSA advanced concepts. But if you ask me, suppose if you have not started with the preparation yet, do not directly jump to DBMS, do not directly jump to advanced DSA. You will go out of the track for the preparation. So your first thing, mandatory content will be to focus and follow all the things which are there on the tab 1. Is it clear, everyone, what I have mentioned? Crystal clear, CC. So whatever things are required about aptitude, programming language, DSA, advanced DSA, DBMS, I have mentioned each and everything. Okay, so I hope it will help you. Now, how to use it? Okay, so what I will do after this session around 7:30 p.m. on your Ishwari, I have already mentioned about DSA. So DSA topics are available over here. Okay. And then advanced DSA is available over here. The basic to medium level DSA, whatever you need for the companies up to 8 to 10 LPA is available over here. Okay. In the mandatory content itself. Siddesh is asking where to give mock test. I will share you details. Okay. Don't worry about it. Okay. Manushri is asking, what about operating system and computer networks? Right now, I have not considered that into a priority list. That is the reason I have not added it. If required later on, I will share you the important topic names over here only by creating new tab. But for the next 50-60 days, you need to focus on this only. Yes, Asif, I'm going to share this particular placement cracker sheet on your WhatsApp. Okay, so after some time around 7:30, you will get the link to download it. Okay, so don't worry about it. The next part, how you are going to use it. When I will share you the access, everyone, please listen to me very carefully. Okay, once I will share you the link of this particular placement cracker sheet, what you need to do. First document that you will go, you will not have edit access. You cannot edit it. Okay. What you need to do, everyone listen to me very carefully. You need to click on file and then you need to click on make a copy. Once you click on make a copy, you will have a separate copied file which you can edit. Why editing is required? So you can click over here, click on the checkbox and use the same cracker sheet after that. You don't need to use this one. Whatever copy you will make, do that. I hope whatever I am saying is clear to you. Why I have said to make a copy? Because if you make a copy, then you will be able to edit it. Okay, how to make a copy? You need to click on file. Yes, thank you for putting CC. Okay, and then you need to click on make a copy. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now I will go back to the original screen. Okay, just give me a moment. Now, definitely many students are asking me how I can prepare. Some of you are asking about the Talent Battle Masterclass as well. And there are some general queries as well. So I'll be covering all the queries. Don't worry. One by one, I will share you all the information. Okay. Now, how placement cracker sheet will be executed. Okay. You already will get the access. Okay. You can start with the daily activities. So you can plan, okay, on day one, I'm going to study this. Day two, I'm going to study this. Okay. I expect minimum 2 hours of study, but if you have not started the preparation earlier, okay, I would recommend you to go for 3 to 4 hours. If you have holidays right now, those students who are having full free time right now, please study 6 to 7 hours. It will help you a lot for your career. Okay. Now, what we will do, in between about the updates about placement cracker sheet, we will post it on our Instagram channel as well on stories. Okay, or if required, I will create some reels as well. Okay, so whatever updates, if we add something new or if we change it, or if there is any particular session we are keeping for the placement cracker sheet students, we will update on our Instagram channel. I guess many of you are already part of our Instagram. You can join it batch wise. There is 2025 batch channel is different, like Talent Battle 2025, Talent Battle 2026, Talent Battle 2027. You can join as per your graduation batch. Okay, we will update it over there. You can, again, this is very important point. You can use any resources to study it. I'm not going to force you to study from only Talent Battle Masterclass. You can do from anywhere. You can use YouTube. You can use your college training, which might be happening, or you can use any other online platform. Just ultimate thing is to complete each and every concept, each and every point that I have added into the placement cracker sheet that should be ticked. Not only ticked, that means you need to study and then only tick. Okay, so then you will get a confidence about it. Okay, so basically you can study from any resource, no problem with it. Okay, uh now daily study status will be tracked using cracker sheet. Means, what do I mean by that? Whatever document you will be having, okay, you can cross check, okay, which like that is the reason I have added date as well. Okay, so once you study, suppose percentage topic, add a date over there. Okay, so that will be also helpful. Okay, now Aarti is asking, would be the people 2026 batch also start now only? Or yes, Aarti, the best time to start with the placement preparation is after second year, second same. So 26 batch, 27 batch should start. Ideally, this is the perfect time to start. 25 batch, many students will have a worry right now, will have a fear right now, whether you will be able to complete it or not. Okay. You can do it, but you need to put a lot of efforts. You need to be ready with it. Okay. So it is better to start early always. Okay. Next. Okay. In between, guys, we will be conducting some free test series. Okay, so some free test series will happen. You will be getting access to it. Okay, we will let you know about it. Okay. Uh, Aisha is asking, Aisha, okay, how can this be applied to MBA students graduating in 2025? MBA students, like you can skip the technical part out of it. Okay, but the aptitude part, the topics that I have mentioned, and the interview and resume preparation that I have mentioned, you can continue with it. It will be helpful. Okay. Now, guys, some students are asking me about the complete masterclass batch as well. For the next 5 minutes, maybe I will cover that information also. And then whatever general queries you are having, I will cover those doubts as well. Okay. Now, just give me one moment, guys. Okay. One more thing I have added just to encourage all the students. Okay. Basically, we will provide you a completion certificate as well. If you complete all the points that I have mentioned into the placement cracker sheet, you can tell us, you can show your placement cracker sheet. Okay. That particular document that you have updated. Okay. We will provide you a certificate. Ultimate aim is to make sure you study that. Okay, once you study that, you are going to get a lot of confidence, which will help you for the placement opportunities. Okay, now this is where I have given you idea what you are supposed to do. Now the next part is how you can do it or who can help you to do it. One part is YouTube. The only concern I have about YouTube, as you can check right now in the placement cracker sheet as well, there are multiple things that you need to do. And if you try finding out each and everything on YouTube, the best possible channel which can help you, it is going to take a lot of time, and then you are going to waste your precious time. So right now, 2025 batch students at least, it will be better if you join some courses. So you can save your time. Not only mine courses, you can join any courses. I don't have any issues with it. Okay. But just don't completely rely on YouTube if you have not started the preparation. If you have started the preparation earlier, if you have done most of the things, then it is fine if you don't join any course. But if you have not started preparation, better to start or join some courses. Okay. Now, I will also share our information as well if you are interested. No problem with that. Now, this is again very important. Okay. How many of you decide on something to work on and then after some time you stop doing it? That you decide now you are going to decide that you want to start with the placement cracker sheet. So you are very excited. You are very motivated that I want to continue with it. But after some time you lose interest. Okay. And then you stop doing that. Correct. It is very common thing. Procrastination. It happens with many students. Okay. Now, one of the reason why it happens, let me tell you, one of the reason, there can be multiple reasons. Okay. One of the reason is what happens, whatever commitment you are doing that I want to study, suppose I want to follow this placement cracker sheet. Whatever commitment you are doing it only to yourself. Okay, so only you know that you are following this particular placement cracker sheet. No one else knows. So after 5 days, even if you don't do it, no one is going to ask you questions about it. Okay, and you also won't feel that much, what I can say, guilty about it. So there is one thing which we can use. Okay, is basically we can learn in public. What is learning in public? Basically, we will announce that I am going to follow this particular placement cracker sheet, or I am going to study aptitude, or I am going to study coding in next 30 days. So once you announce it, announcing means I am not going to ask you to do it on mic. Okay. No, there are some social media platforms that you can use. Okay. So what is the general thing you can do? The best way to announce that you are learning something, what can be the best platform? The best platform is LinkedIn. So what you can do if you want, okay, you can put on LinkedIn that this is the placement cracker sheet I'm going to follow for the next couple of days, which will help me for the placement preparation. Once you announce it to public that you are going to learn aptitude, you are going to learn coding, you are going to learn DSA, there is some sort of pressure on you to complete it because you have announced it to all the world that I'm going to work on it. It is for your benefit only, not to give not to put some wrong pressure on you, but it is good pressure on you. Okay, it is for your benefit only. So once you announce it to everyone that I'm going to study this, then somewhere down the mind you will have that pressure that you need to complete it. Okay, so that can be the benefit. So you can use the social media effectively. You can develop your personal brand as well along with it. Okay, once you start posting about the activities that you do, if you want to put or post about a placement cracker sheet, I have created some hashtags as well. Already many students have joined our free machine learning workshop as well. They are also continuously posting about machine learning. I'm really happy that they are doing it. Okay, so somewhere they are able to push their profile. Right now they may not be getting any likes, they may not be getting any comments, no problem. But in future, if any HR manager looks at their LinkedIn profile, HR manager will get idea that this student has done some activities for his skill set, okay, or to improve his profile. So that is also very important. So don't get disheartened if you are not getting likes or comment. It is not only about that. Okay. Next, One more thing in between, we are going to get some expert sessions as well that can also happen. We will let you know about it. Okay. Regarding LinkedIn, what I expect from you to post about the learning journey. You can post about this announcement also that you are going to start with the placement cracker sheet. Okay. Every week, I expect you to put around 2 to 3 posts that you have learned. Maybe from coding, you learned this particular concepts, you tried this particular program. Okay, you can tag us as well on social media. Already many students are doing it for the machine learning and different activities that we do. So my name is Ajinkya Kulkarni. My co-founder's name is Amit Prabhu. Talent Battle, you already know. And we have created some common hashtags as well. Okay, like placement cracker sheet by Talent Battle and Talent Battle placement cracker. If you want, you can take a photo as well. The general queries, whatever you have, I will cover in some time. Okay. Yes, I will share information about the masterclass as well. Don't worry. Okay. So these are the things which we can do to create a positive pressure. Okay, which will help you to do the things, which will keep you on the track. Okay, that is also very important. Okay. Siddesh, my name is Ajinkya Kulkarni. Okay, so you can connect with me on LinkedIn as well. No issues. Okay, so now I will share the information about our training programs as well. Okay, now, this particular placement cracker sheet will be shared to you around 7:30 p.m. today on your WhatsApp number. Okay, so we will message you separately. You will get a link and then you can go for it. Harshal, I will discuss about the mock interview platform as well. Please wait. Okay, now I will first share the information about the training batch that we are going to start, and then I will cover all your queries. Okay, now I'm coming to the new way, okay, or coming to the new information, okay, about the complete masterclass. Okay, so basically we run various masterclass batches to help the students with the placement preparation. Okay, now if you're absolutely confused, if you have not started preparation at all, if you are having zero knowledge about aptitude coding, you don't know how to prepare for interview, just if you are ready to take the efforts, I will make sure and my team will make sure you are getting that particular job opportunity. Okay. How we are going to do that, I'll be telling you each and everything. Just you need to have patience and just you need to follow the study plan that we are going to provide you. Okay. So complete masterclass batch, basically complete placement preparation live masterclass batch. Okay, we have like so many students from last couple of years, like thousands of students who have gone through this particular content and have got the results. Some of them are working at some top positions as well, those who graduated back 8 to 9 years ago. Okay, so this particular course has helped thousands of students. Okay, now the new batch that we are going to start from 17th June. So today is 14th. From 17th June, like after 3 days from Monday, we are going to start it. Okay, we have decided to keep some exclusive discount for the students who are attending this particular session. Okay, I will tell you about that as well. Okay, now one very important thing, this particular batch is live batch. So we are going to have weekly live sessions. You will be getting recordings of each and every session. Just one thing I might have mentioned earlier as well in some of my previous session. This is going to be the last live batch that will happen in this placement season. Okay, because what happens in the month of August and September, you cannot conduct the live batch which is starting from very basic. This batch is going to start from very basic. Okay, so that is the reason we have kept it now, and this will be like a last live batch in this placement season. The next live batch can be around like maybe after October or November. Okay, so students may join till next 10 to 15 days, but the start is going to be from 17 June. What do we cover over here? I'm going to share you the dashboard demo as well. Basically, we cover these parts, aptitude until the end. In aptitude, we cover quant, logical, verbal. Then there are some extra questions are also provided to you. All the things start from very basic. Even if you have zero level of knowledge, no problem. Same with programming, we cover C, CPP, Java, Python, okay? And then we'll be covering data structure and algorithm, and the practice coding statements will be provided. We cover 25 plus company specific trainings where we cover previous year questions, service based and some product based companies. Along with that, you get latest technologies like full stack development, data science, AI, ML, cloud computing using AWS. I will share you one information, guys. One of our recent student who got placed in Amazon with 29 lakhs per annum package, he gave credit to cloud computing with AWS course. So basically, guys, on your dashboard, you are going to have multiple things. You can use different things. Okay. You need to make sure you are mentioning that during interview and it will help you later on. Okay. On dashboard, we have 40 plus projects. Over here, 25 are mentioned, but total we have crossed the 40 plus projects, easy, medium, and advanced level. Okay. Some other important computer subjects also we will be providing, like operating system, computer network, and database as well. Yes, I will share you the placement cracker sheet link at the end of this session as well. I will finish this on the WhatsApp also you will get, and I will share you on this in this session also. Okay. Now we are going to provide you interview preparation, mock interviews as well. Okay. Now this is the placement report that we are having. Okay. Later on, if I get a chance, I will show you the testimonials as well of the different students from across the country. Okay. Across the country. Sai Manikanta is asking, is it suitable for 2025 batch? It is suitable for 25, 26, 27, all the batches. Just the way of doing a preparation will be different for you guys. 25 batch students need to study this particular platform for 4 to 5 hours on day-to-day basis. 26, 27 batch students can do it like 1 or 2 hours on day-to-day basis. Okay. So they are having more time. 25 students do not have time. So they need to do it quick. Okay. So this is the placement report. This is the certificate that you will be getting. Savita is asking, will you teach programming language from scratch itself? Absolutely scratch. Absolutely very basic. Even if any non-CS IT student is going to join this particular training program, no issues. We already have so many students. I guess you might be connected with us on Instagram, right? Many of the students. I guess day before yesterday, I posted one particular reel on Instagram. One of our student who belong to mechanical branch, tier 3 city, not tier 1, tier 2 city, not metro city, tier 3 city. He joined us in second year, second semester. He finished different courses on the platform, okay, mechanical branch. Then he got offer in TCS Ninja. There, the college was not having many placement opportunities, but he got selected into TCS Ninja. Then from there, he switched to companies. He just has graduated last year only, 2023. And right now his package has reached around 8 LPA in the first year itself. For him, it is really great achievement. Those students who already have really great opportunities from college, they can easily go for 20, 25, 30 LPA. We already have such examples. But those who are starting from scratch, they can also jump to higher packages. Okay, so that is also possible. Okay, Monica, we will discuss about it. Okay. Now, next, this is the certificate you will be getting for everything. These are the tools and technologies that we are going to learn. Okay, just quickly, what I will do, guys, I will show you the dashboard demo quickly. Just give me one moment. This is the dashboard that you will be getting. Now, Pujita is asking good question. We only have 2 months. Within these 2 months, how can you complete all the topics? That is good question. Okay. Now, Pujita, how the format of this particular training is going to be? Every week, we are going to have 3 live sessions. During live sessions, we will be covering aptitude. On some days, we will be covering technical. But 2025 batch, what you need to do? You don't need to rely, or you should not rely only on live sessions. Along with the live sessions, you need to use this particular dashboard. Whatever content I have mentioned so far, it is already available on this dashboard at this moment. On live sessions, we again repeat it. So during live sessions, we will be taking aptitude, we will be taking coding, DSA, but that content is already available on the dashboard. So those students who are going to join today, they are going to immediately start with the preparation. You don't need to wait till 17 June also. You need to start your preparation tomorrow morning itself. Okay. I hope that is clear. So I will quickly show you the dashboard demo. Guys, whatever general queries you are having, just give me one moment. Just give me one moment. Yes, I have been logged out. Okay, just give me one moment. I guess I have been logged out of this account. I will come back to the screen. Just give me one moment. I will ask for another account details. Okay, some students are asking me queries. Just give me one moment, guys. I am using some different account. Okay, just give me one moment, guys. I will check with team if they can provide me some different email ID. Okay, just give me one moment. Yes. Yes. Okay. The team will share me the details. Just give me one moment. I will till then share the screen again. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. I will cover the next part till then. Once I get details, I will continue with it. Okay. So these are the technologies that you are going to work. Yes, I will share you the link as well. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now, who should join the Talent Battle course basically? Only if you are serious about your career, you should be ready to put your 100% sincere efforts. Okay. You should not give any excuses during placement journey. So there can be some students who are having issues with the eligibility criteria as well. Okay. But you just need to make sure you are putting all the efforts, okay, which are required for the placement preparation. Yes, Suchita, I will also check. I am checking with the team. Okay. What has happened? Okay, I will let you know. Okay, just give me. I guess some update is going on by the technical team. They are changing some things. Okay, I will just check it. Okay. Yes. Okay. You should not give any excuses during your placement journey. You will continuously update about your progress to the mentor. Okay, so we are having different mentors in the team to which you will let us know. Okay, even if you are absolutely zero with your preparation, we are fine with it. You just need to believe and you just need to be honest with your preparation. Now, why I have added this? Why I have added this point? I know there can be some students who are right now. Just give me a moment. I guess I have got call from technical team. Okay, so I just got update from the team that they are doing some update. Okay, on the site. So for 10 minutes, I won't be able to show you the dashboard. They are making some changes to the student dashboard. Okay, okay, I will continue with it right now. Okay, so basically those students who right now feel confused, okay, or if you're having any issues, okay, you need to understand, you just need to believe on the process. That is very important. Okay, so whatever we are going to provide, if you continue with it and if you follow it, definitely you are going to get the results. Yes, some students are asking me about the fees as well. I will cover the fees part as well. But before that, quick roadmap which we are going to follow in this particular batch. We will start with the aptitude and programming roadmap. Then we will go for the profile building, okay, like latest technologies, projects that you have. Then the soft skills like group discussion, personal interview, technical interview, essay writing, email writing kind of preparation material which is available on the dashboard, and then company specific training. Okay, mock interviews, some students were asking me about where I can practice the mock interviews. In the complete placement preparation masterclass, you get a chance to face mock interview, technical personal interview with the experts. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, and ultimately you need to understand, you need to practice this till you get a success. So that is also very important. Okay, now Savita is asking, is this course for the lifetime? Yes, I will share the information, please wait. Okay, now, what I have done, we have given you 4 different validity options. So the name of the course is Complete Placement Preparation Masterclass, and you can choose the validity that you want to go with. Either it is 3 months validity, 6 months validity, 12 months validity, or 24 months validity. So 26 and 27 batch students, it will be better if you go with 2 years validity. So you can have it till your graduation. 25 batch students, I would recommend you to go for 12 months. But suppose financially, if it is not possible for you, then go for 6 months at least. In the last case only, if it is very difficult for you to pay some amount, then go for 3 months, because 3 months is very limited time to prepare for placement. Why I am saying, for the dashboard I am saying, okay, because what will happen, some companies may come at the October, November. So if you only have 3 months validity, your validity will get over soon. Okay, so these are the fees that you need to pay. Okay, these are the discounted fees that we have kept for this particular session, and the discount is valid till 11:59 p.m. only, like till midnight. Okay, I will share you the link as well. Some students are asking me the link. Just give me one moment. I will share you the link. Uh, Pratiksha is asking one question. Let me just cover it. I am exactly not understanding what type of preparation we should start. Like start from programming language or any other. Pratiksha, in that case, whatever thing I mentioned earlier, the placement cracker sheet, you just need to go through the first aptitude section and then simultaneously you need to start with the programming language part as well. So both the things will happen simultaneously. It cannot happen you are just focusing on aptitude or you are just focusing on coding and DSA. You need to do both the things simultaneously. Yes, I will share you the link. Okay, just give me one moment. Okay, just give me one moment. Okay, yes. Sir, my percentage is not good in 10th standard. Yes, I will cover all your queries. Please wait, please wait, please wait. Uh, yes. Okay. So my percentage is not good in 10th standard, which was 58 percentage only. But in 12th, I got 79 percentage, did get placement in MNCs. Now how it will happen? Dhanashri, basically, there will be some companies who will have criteria. Okay, 60 percentage criteria will be there for some of the companies. Okay, I will share you the link. Just give me a moment. Okay, yes, payment link one student is asking. I'm sharing the payment link. Okay, yes. So I will give you this idea. Now, those students who are having issue with the eligibility criteria, what happens? Some companies, okay, some companies will have 60 percentage criteria in 10th, some will have in 12th, okay, and someone will have during graduation as well. Okay, now what you need to understand, yes, below 10 percentage in 10th is also criteria for some of the companies. Okay, now you need to understand there will be some companies who will not have any criteria. Just to give you idea, Accenture, Capgemini for the last 2 years didn't consider 10th and 12th 60 percentage criteria. So you need to understand criteria, companies can change it any moment of time. You just need to be ready. What happens with those students who have below 60 percentage? They do not prepare itself. They think that I am not going to get any company. So why should I prepare? Okay. So you need to understand you are going to get few opportunities. You just need to make sure you are preparing really well. Yes, you are going to get less opportunities, but you need to make sure you prepare really well and convert those opportunities. Okay. About CGPA is also same. More than 6 is usually expected. Some companies may expect more than 6.6. Very few companies will expect more than 7. Very few companies. Okay, but there will be some companies who will have no criteria as well. Okay, yes, I'm sharing the so this is the link where you can register. Yes, just give me one moment. Okay, I guess the website is again back. Just let me check. Yes, I can show you the demo. So update is done. Guys, just let me know in the chat box if you can see my dashboard. The website is back. Manushri, we will discuss that. We will discuss. Yes. Thank you, guys. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. I was not aware that development team was planning one update. Okay. Yes, I will continue now. Okay. So basically, this is the dashboard you get. This is the only thing you need for the placement preparation for the next 2 to 3 months. Nothing else. I will start with the aptitude. Please understand how this masterclass is going to work. We are going to conduct live sessions, but along with the live sessions, once you join, immediately you get this particular access. Okay. Now I will start with the learn aptitude. We have put 100 percentage thoughts on this particular platform. We have taken suggestions from the industry experts as well, how this dashboard should be. And then we have built this particular platform. It has taken a lot of efforts from our side, and I'm sure you will also love it. Okay. Now, what is the first course? The aptitude course that we are having. Okay. So there are around 50 to 52 topics, 50, 52. Okay. So what happens whenever you do any offline training? Okay, they do not cover all the topics because they do not have sufficient time. Even very few platforms cover all the topics. Okay, guys, whatever general queries you have, I will cover in some time. Okay, so you can check what we have done. Suppose if you want to study percentage topic, you just need to click on the percentage part. Okay, and then what we have done, you are not going to get 2 hours, 3 hours kind of video. We have divided the videos in 15 to 20 minutes. Once you watch that video, immediately you are going to have quiz based on it. So you can cross check whatever you have learned, whether you can implement that knowledge or not. Okay, once you clear the quiz, then the next video will be open, and similarly all videos will go through. Okay, now we have even included those topics which are rarely asked. How many of you know crypt arithmetic topic? Crypt arithmetic, just let me know in the chat box. Crypt arithmetic topic is usually asked by Infosys. Okay, and there is one company, Elitmus. They ask this particular crypt arithmetic topic. It is a comparatively difficult topic if you compare it with other aptitude topics. Okay, so we have covered such topics as well. There is one topic, elementary statistics, which is asked by TCS. We have covered those topics as well. So all quantitative, all logical, and all verbal topics are available over here. Okay, next thing I will go for, now you will ask me a question that how many questions I will solve. Okay, basically learn aptitude. Okay, in that you will be solving 15 to 20 questions for each topic. You will learn the best possible shortcuts which are available in the market. Okay, and then you will ask me, give me some extra questions. So we have created one more course with the name of extra practice question, where you will have the same topics again with 20 to 40 questions for each topic. So you are going to solve 60 to 90 questions along with the test series, okay, which are more than enough. Okay, if you ask any of your senior how many questions you have solved for each topic, hardly they solve 30-40 questions. But over here, you are going to get 60 to 90 questions depending on topic, which is more than enough. Once you have access to this particular dashboard, you don't need to refer any other website, YouTube video, YouTube channel. You don't need to refer any other book as well, RS Agarwal or any other book. Whatever you need for the placement preparation is available on the dashboard. And if something is missing, you just need to let us know. It is not possible that something is missing, but still in future you feel that I want this thing, you can tell us. Okay, we will add it. Okay, so this is about aptitude. Next, there are some students who are not confident with their English grammar. So for them, what we have done, we have created English grammar course where we will teach you about tenses, WH questions, active voice, passive voice, direct speech, indirect speech. Because if you don't have knowledge of grammar, you cannot perform well in verbal ability round. It is very difficult. Most of the platforms, what they do, they directly teach you how to solve verbal ability. But if you don't know grammar, how you are going to solve verbal ability? So that's what we have provided over here. Okay. And then there can be some students who want the aptitude course in Hindi. So we have covered the aptitude training in Hindi as well for the recorded course. Okay, so you can go, the content is same, questions are same, you can go through it. Okay, next part is technical. You can, now for the live session, we will be taking one programming language and we will be covering it. But there can be some students who want the sessions in different languages. Okay, so on the dashboard, you have C, CPP, Java, Python, all 4 languages from basics to advanced. Even if you have zero knowledge, you will be able to crack it. And then data structure is also available in all the languages up to advanced level. So greedy algorithm, dynamic programming, whatever things you need for the product-based companies, it is available. Along with that, guys, we have database, we have computer networks, we have operating system as well. So computer science students may feel like almost your mini engineering degree is available over here, because we have covered almost all the subjects. Okay, and that too almost 1/100th of your engineering college price, right? You might be paying 1 lakh or 2 lakh at your college. Okay, but same thing you're getting over here, and in some cases it will have the best quality than the college as well. Okay, depending on your college. Okay, now next thing for the coding preparation, what we have done, we have created 100 days coding series. Okay, so those students who want to prepare for coding, we have created day by day coding. We provide you day by day coding statements, and then we provide you the 4 options as well for the solutions like C, CPP, Java, Python. So we start from very basic, and then we reach up to the lead code or maybe hacker rank, hacker earth level, the different kind of programs that you need to do for the higher package companies. Now the next main important course, okay, guys, I'm getting many queries. Manushri, I will cover your doubt. Please wait. I will cover your doubt. Everyone, I will cover the doubt. Okay. We have covered one particular programming language in Hindi as well. And the next question which students ask us about the competitive coding. So there is a separate course of competitive coding for those students who are preparing for higher package companies and product-based companies. So this is the technical training that you will be getting. Guys, I'm repeating again. We will have the live sessions But along with that the dashboard is having each and every content, so you don't need to worry about it. 2025 batch students, you need to utilize the live sessions as well as this dashboard very much for the next 40 days to complete all the things I mentioned in the placement cracker sheet. Okay. Next is company specific training, where we cover all the previous year questions. Okay. So you can check TCS coding, TCS verbal, logical, quant, all the things we have done. We have 25 plus company specific trainings where we cover previous year questions of different service based companies and product based companies. Next is resume and interview preparation. As you can check the first line, mock interview. All the students who enroll for this particular masterclass, they get mock interview with the experts. Tomorrow also, we have planned around 23 interviews for those students who are having TCS interview next week. And some of the interviews are getting conducted by the person who is right or who has earlier worked in TCS and now working at different companies. I cannot name the actual company right now where he is working. Okay. But we are having some industry experts as well who will be conducting your interview, which will help you a lot. Okay. So apart from that, we have resume preparation course where you will understand how to prepare for resume. We have created the resume formats as well that you can use. And the most important thing, whichever or whatever resume you will create, you need to send it to us. Our expert team will verify it and provide you the suggestion. So before sharing it to your company or any company, your resume should be checked. Okay. Same way we have personal interview course, communication skill guidance course. Nowadays, companies like Accenture, Capgemini, DXC have started with the communication round. So how to appear for that round? Which type of questions are asked? We have covered over here. Same way we have cover letter, interview skills course, okay, group discussion course as well. As some companies have started conducting group discussion, we have that course as well. Now I will quickly jump to the latest technologies. In latest technologies, we have full stack data science, AI, ML. This particular full stack development course has given students so many opportunities in the startup, those who have completed it. We have covered different front end, back end technologies along with the projects on each and every technology. So you can just cross check. I'm just scrolling down. So many modules are there, so many modules. And all these videos are around like 2 hours of content in each module, which we have provided. Okay. So the content is of 300 hours for full stack development itself. Along with that, data science, AI, ML, IoT course, robotics course, Django, cloud computing using AWS course is also available. Then the next part is projects. Very few students do extra projects. So for them, we have provided around 40 plus projects based on programming languages, based on, I can say, the latest technologies. What you need to do, we have provided you videos in some cases and documents in some situations. Okay. You just need to go through the documents or videos, complete that project, send it to us. We will provide you a certificate that you can add on your resume on or LinkedIn as well. And last but not the least is mock test. Whatever you are going to study, you are going to face test on that. So we have topic wise tests. I will just go inside the test as well. You can just cross check. So many tests we have created topic wise. Mock tests are also available for entire section. I'm just scrolling it down. Check how many tests are already available. So the ultimate aim is you should not waste your time in searching on YouTube or searching on Google how to prepare for percentage topic, how to do coding or how to do competitive coding. No, whatever you need is there on the dashboard. Okay. So I can understand for some of you, you may feel that I need to pay something, but this is the best investment you can do for your future, which will give you the best possible returns. Okay. Along with that, we conduct the masterclass test series. We have technical test series as well, like C, CPP, Java, Python. I will just scroll down so you will get idea. C, CPP, Java, Python, database, .NET, different data structure, different test series are available. Okay. Same way we have coding test series as well. So whatever you need is available on the dashboard. Now you already have got idea about the placement cracker sheet as well, so you can follow that. But apart from that, we have separately created one 50-day study plan as well, that also you can follow. Okay, whichever plan you can follow from placement cracker sheet or you can follow from this one as well. Okay, yes, I will share you the link. Okay, just give me a moment, I will cover the questions now. Yes, the batch is starting from 17th June. This will be most probably the last live batch we will have in this placement season. Later on, we may have, but not immediately. Okay. Yes, placement cracker sheet you will be getting on WhatsApp. I will just check if I can share it over here. Dhanashri is asking, after completing the masterclass, will you give 100% guarantee for placement? Now, this is a good question. Okay. No one can provide you the 100% guarantee if you do not work. So Dhanashri, you need to understand, you also need to work really hard. We can provide you the best quality training, which we have given to the thousands of students earlier as well, 70,000 plus students, okay? And then they have got the job opportunity, okay? So in between, we do get some referral opportunities, which we provide to our students from some startups and medium scale companies. But I am not giving you commitment that I will give you 100 job opportunities. No, my job, my responsibility is to provide you the training. Your college may provide you some opportunity, or there will be some off-campus opportunities as well. Okay. But in between, if we have any opportunity, we will let you know. We have already placed some of the students in some of the companies which we know, but that is not, I'm going to commit right now. Okay. If we are not going to pay fee, won't share recording classes or other links. Pujita, the recordings are shared with the students who enroll for the master class. Okay. Now wait, I will cover. Manushri had asked the questions. I will cover. Okay, the doubt. Uh, Manushri, which company specific training you are mentioning? Please let me know later on. Okay. Will you provide Pakka placement for us off campus? Will you inform us in Bangalore? Please try to understand. We are going to provide you the training. When you go into college will be providing you some online on campus or off campus opportunities. Along with that, whenever we have some referral opportunities, we let us know that. We already have placed some of our students into the companies, as I mentioned, but that is not for which I am charging you. Okay, that will be the complimentary thing. Okay. Sai Manikanta, whenever you have any queries, you will be getting a chance to connect with the mentor, whether it is aptitude mentor, technical mentor, or general mentor, placement preparation mentor. Sakshi is asking, this is the last batch when online live session will be conducted 3 days a week. Sakshi, what do I mean by that? I will share. Okay, please understand. Basically, right now, there are some platforms who provide you only recordings. Okay, and there are very few platforms who might be conducting live session. So, what will happen from 17 June? We will start with the live sessions. So, you can attend a session like this, and after that, you will be getting a recording. But suppose if you don't want to wait till 17 June, immediately on dashboard, you are going to get each and everything which I have shown. So this particular masterclass is combination of live session plus self-paced content. Okay. Okay, Omkar, yes. Can we take the live programming language and DSA technical, which one we want? Manushri, right now we have focused on Java. We are going to start with Java because it will be more helpful for the students considering the placement preparation part. But suppose if you want C or CPP or Python, that is already available on the dashboard. Will mock interviews be provided? Yes, as I mentioned, the mock interviews are part of the masterclass. Okay. Yes, I will go back to I have shared the link. Okay. Okay, those who are on YouTube, Amit, if it is possible, please share the link with them. Okay. Or I will just check if I can share the link. Just give me one moment. I will add the link into the description box. Okay. Just give me one moment. Okay, guys. Let me just edit it and add it. Register here. I hope you are also able to see this. Okay. Okay, so those who are on YouTube, I have added that into the description. You will go to this link. You need to choose the validity, whether you want it for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or 24 months. I forgot to mention one point, guys. One point. Everyone, please listen to me carefully. We have buddy offer as well. What is buddy offer? If you are two friends or more than two friends who want to join this particular masterclass together, you will be getting discount more than this. Okay, so if you are two friends or more than two friends who want to join this, you will be getting more discount. Once you go on this link, you will get this particular contact number. I will be sharing contact number on Zoom chat as well. If you want, you can contact this number and tell this person or mentor that I want to register with the buddy offer. Okay. Or you might have already got WhatsApp message from us. On that WhatsApp number, you can send the message that I want to register with the buddy offer. So you'll be getting more discount than this. Okay. Now, as I can see, some students have already joined. Okay. Just one thing I will let you know, this particular link is a separate link I have created from the workshop, from the website. Okay. So once you enroll, I need to assign you the masterclass package separately. Okay. So you will be getting entire dashboard access by tomorrow morning. Monica, what you can do, you already have our WhatsApp number, right? Send the message on WhatsApp. Team will guide you. Team will share you the information how to do that. Okay. Manushri, this was the same thing which I mentioned during the our workshop. Okay, this was the same thing, placement tracker sheet. Okay, like 25 days batch we have not planned yet, but you can start with this particular batch because the overall content is same. So you can cover the syllabus in 25 days as well. Yes, I'll be sharing the link over here. Just give me a moment. Oh, the number I have shared, I will share you the link as well. Any other query, guys, if you have? Okay, I can understand some of you might be having issues with the fees as well. Okay, but you need to understand somewhere if you want to get a job opportunity, you need to prepare really well. And if you want to prepare really well, you need to do a structured, organized preparation where you will have access to the experts and mentors in this particular field. And for that, you need to go for it. Harshal, I don't think there will be any platform who can provide you free mock interview. Okay, because you need to understand, just to give you idea, if someone is taking your mock interview from the industry, they also need to get some payment. Okay, no one will do it for free. Okay, so we also need to pay to those industry experts and then they will take your mock interview. Okay, so it will be very harsh to expect each and everything to be free. That will be very difficult. How can we access? Pratiksha, you will be getting details on your WhatsApp. Okay, mock tests, some free mock tests are available on our platform as well, Harshal, that you can use. Okay, so that is available on our platform. Srikar, you will be getting it on WhatsApp. I have already teamed to do that. DSA in C++ is better or DSA in Java for 2025? It depends on your choice, guys. Payment done. That's great, Vandana. Those who have done the payment, please understand. We will meet again on 17th June. 17 June will be our first session. I'll be personally there to guide you what exactly you need to do. Just remember, you need to be ready to put efforts. All other things we will take care of. Okay. So Vandana, that's great. You have already taken the first, what I can say, step. Okay. Those who are still doubtful, to be honest, if the payment fees is not a big issue for you, I would recommend you not to rethink twice and directly register because you are not going to regret about it if you join. Okay. But if you don't join and after 2 months, if you miss any placement opportunity, at that time you may feel bad. Okay. Through what you can do, you can send us message on WhatsApp. Team will take care of it. Okay. What is the timing of online class and will we get recorded session? Vandana, recordings of each and every session will be available. So even if you miss any live class, it is not a problem. The live class timing will be around 6:30 p.m. to 8 or 8:30 p.m. Weekly 3 sessions will happen. But if you belong to 2025 batch, on 17 June also I will guide you what you need to do. But right now also I'm just giving you idea. Along with the live sessions, you need to focus on these particular things which are already available on the dashboard. Okay. Atharva is asking students who are from 2026 batch, do they have to join live session from 17? Yes, Atharva, yes. Actually, for 26 batch and even for 27 batch, okay, live sessions will be more beneficial to you. Okay, for 25 batch, what I'm saying, they need to combine live and recorded both, and they need to finish the syllabus in next 40-45 days. 26 batch, your target should be just you need to make sure whatever sessions we take every week, go with that flow. I'm not going to ask you or put a lot of pressure on you. Okay, if you just do that, you will be more than ready. Okay, for the placement, and then you will get sufficient time to learn the latest technology as well as learn the or do the projects as well. Where 2026 batch, sir. Ramya, same thing. The link will be same. I guess one student is asking about the link. I will share you. Uh, Completion of certificate is available. Omkar is asking. Yes, Omkar, you are going to get certificate of each and every course that you complete, whether it is C, CPP, Java, Python, DSA, DBMS, operating system, computer networks, or any latest technology. Adi is asking, currently Talent Battle is conducting training at our colleges. Can I get access for the masterclass? Adi, please let me know your college name so I can get idea. Manushri, depends about the off-campus. I cannot let you know whether it will happen in Bangalore or any other location. It depends. Okay, whenever the off-campus opportunities will be available, we will let you know. Okay, off-campus opportunities are generic, not specific to like only talent battle or something. Okay. Adi is from Bapuji Institute of Davangere. Adi, if you belong to Bapuji Institute of Technology Davangere, that is BIT, you don't need to register again. Okay, please do not pay the fees because already you are going to get access since you are registered with the offline training with Talent Battle. Okay, so you are going to have this access. Don't worry about it. I hope this is clear. Okay, others need to register because our company is not right now registered with you. Pratiksha is asking talent battle not available in offline. Pratiksha, actually we directly visit to the college and provide offline training. So right now we are doing it to multiple colleges across India. If you connect us with your training and placement officer, we will approach them as well. Okay. Yes, Manushri. Yes, Kaustubh. Yes, yes, yes. Uh, on more questions, I'm just checking. Students who are from 2026. Okay. Is it necessary? This is good question from Sanjana. I will cover it. Everyone, please listen. Is it necessary to learn all the three languages, CPP, Java, and Python, or practicing any one language perfectly? Python, in my case, would be enough. Sanjana, right now, you need to focus on only one language. That can be any CPP or Java or Python, and you need to practice it more. Okay. As you have mentioned, that is correct. You just need to focus on one language right now. Okay. Manushri, we will let you know if there are any internship opportunities available. We will let you know. Venu is asking, what about Sahyadri College of Engineering and Management, Bangalore? Venu, right now we are not officially partner about the training, but if you like connect us with the training and placement officer, we are also connected with them on email and or like messages. But we will also check if it is possible, okay, to do that. My college is RC Patel College, Shirpur. Can I access the free masterclass? Harshal, right now we are not officially connected to RC Patel College. For the last 3 years, we do have provided different kind of training programs, online training programs. This year it is not fixed yet. So if you want to start with the preparation immediately, it will be better if you do it now. Okay. Yes. Anything else? Any other query? Yes. 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 Okay, I will share you the link again. Guys, the discount which I have mentioned is valid till 11:59 p.m. only. After that, the fees will increase. Okay. What is very important coding subject for student? Ramya, basically the most important thing is understanding or learning one programming language, then solving minimum 100 coding questions based on that, then going into detail for data structure and algorithm. Okay. Can we extend course duration? That means, Sai, please pay the sheet. Asif, I will share you the link. Just give me one moment. Yes, I will share you the link of the cracker sheet as well. Just give me one moment. I guess Amit might have shared the message on WhatsApp. Just let me check if I have the message. Yes, those who are asking me about the placement cracker sheet, I am right now sharing it with you. Okay. Uh, I will share it later as well. Don't worry. Okay. So those who are having still some questions, you can ask me. My two friends join this course. We will work in hand. We are yes, yes, yes. Manushri, don't worry. Manushri, you just need to promise me one thing. Whatever we tell you, you are going to follow that. Okay. So please don't leave in between the task that we are giving you or the things which we are going to tell you. Okay. So it is great that you two friends have joined this particular thing. I'm really happy with it. But make sure whatever study plan we share, whatever placement cracker sheet which we have shared and the resources, you need to use it. If you do that 100% you are going to get opportunity. Okay, just be honest and sincere with the efforts. Okay. Yes, you can do that later, but that may become bit expensive than the current price. So it is better if it is possible, go for 6 months at least. Okay. Harsh, right now, no. The free sessions, are basically some of the free mock tests which we have. The machine learning course right now we are doing free, so like thousands of students are doing that. Okay. uh, but for aptitude and coding we do not have anything free right now. Okay. These are paid courses which we have. Yes, that's great, Manushree. That's great. That's great that you're promising me that you will work hard. I'm really happy with it. Yes, I will share the link again, those who want to register. Okay. Everyone, please note those who have already paid the amount. Okay. You will get one confirmation email from our side that you have successfully registered. By tomorrow morning, I will assign you all the courses because I have created a separate link for the discount. If you go on our website, just let me show you. If you go on our website, from there also you can register. The prices are more than this. Okay, that is the reason I have created a separate link for this particular session, students. Okay. Yes. Any other query? Currently in our college there is already placement now. Okay. Namrata, which college? Yes, yes, yes. Thanks, Pratiksha. SIT, okay, okay, got it, got it. What I would recommend, okay, very few offline training companies cover all this content. What is the usual thing they do? They will take maybe 5 to 10 days of offline training of aptitude. Hardly they will go in detail for coding, DSA, DBMS. So all these things you get on the dashboard along with the mock interviews and detailed mock interview. It is not like casual mock interview that you're going to have. As if the link is opening, many students have already registered. Uh, Later on, Asif, if you're still facing any issues, send us message on WhatsApp. Team will share you the more details. So, Namrata, I was mentioning about during offline training, the content is not that much covered. So, this will help you a lot. And the company specific training is also keep on going on there. Okay. So, again, Namrata, you can maybe cross check or you can compare once. Okay. What content they are taking, what content we are providing. Okay. And depending on that, you can take a decision. And again, quality as well. You might have gone through the sessions. If it has happened already, you can cross check what kind of quality they have provided, and then you can compare it. Okay. And then you can take a decision. Definitely if you join it, you are not going to regret it. That is, I'm 100% of sure. But if you are thinking from the financial point of view, just cross check what content they are providing and what we are providing. We are providing each and everything that is required for the placement along with the best quality, so you can compare accordingly. Okay. Yes. Any other query, guys, if you're having any other query? Yes. Okay, I will share the link again. Yes, it includes the mock interview from the industry experts. You will be getting, I will be showing you again. I will show you the dashboard again. Some students are asking for it. Now, again, one thing I will share with you guys. Whether you join the masterclass or not, that is a separate thing. But you need to and you must start with the placement preparation, that is for sure. Okay, whether you join us or join some other platform or some offline training or any other thing, or you want to do it from YouTube, you can do it. I am not having any issue. But one thing which is very important is to start preparation rather than regretting it later after 5 months or even after 2 months that your friends are getting placed and you are not getting placed. That will be very bad situation. That will be worst situation. So better than that, start now. Still you have time. One student is asking, is MERN stack important for placement? The full stack part or MERN stack, min stack, the importance will come at the later stage for the higher package companies, or if you're specifically going for some startups. Okay. But if you take the companies which are visiting, maybe most of the multinational companies that visit, they will focus, the top priority will be aptitude, then programming language, then DSA, then DBMS. So all the things that I mentioned. Once you do this, then you can go for MERN stack or full stack. Okay. But it is not the top priority. I hope you have got the idea. Okay. Okay, guys. Any other query? Any other query? Okay. If you go on our website, option is disabled to make a copy. No, it shouldn't be disabled. You will be able to do that. I will check it. If it is disabled, I will do it. Like I will edit it in some time. Okay. Yes. We have posted a lot of testimonials as well. So if you go on this particular website, if you need syllabus copy as well, later on I will share it on WhatsApp. Some of the testimonials we have posted over here. These kind of certificates you get. If it is possible for you to see the screen, I will just play one video over here. Oh, I guess I need to do it on full screen. Wait. If you directly go on this link, then only you can find this. I guess some browser issue that I have. We'll check if I can open it directly on YouTube. No, some browser related issue. But I guess it should be clear on your browser if you go on this particular link. Confusion about the MERN stack and Java full stack developer because of the future scope. Please clarify. Jayesh, in that case, what I can do, I can connect you with our technical expert who belongs to or who handles our full stack related training. So he can guide you more on that. Okay, so later on, send us one email as well. Sid, I guess I have already shared the link. I will again reshare. Just give me one moment. Just give me one moment. I will reshare the placement cracker sheet link, and I guess you'll be getting it on WhatsApp as well in some time once I finish with the session. Okay, I am sharing the link of the placement cracker sheet with everyone, and then I am sharing the link of the registration. Oh, Arti is asking question. Just give me one moment. If we register for 2 year session, it will end in June 2026, but we want the real guidance at the last moment of fourth year. Can you please extend that duration? Arti, we will do that. Okay. Arti, what you can do right now, you can register for 2 years. Just send us one email. I will tell the team to extend it till you will be graduating, I guess, 2027 most probably. Okay. So whenever you graduate, okay, we'll be providing you validity till then. Since you are registering for 2 years, okay, we can do that. Okay. So just once you register, send us one email or send on WhatsApp that I want till this particular month. We will provide you that. Don't worry about it. The ultimate aim is to make sure you have the resources till you need it. Okay. That is very important. Okay. So for 2 years, we can do it. Any other query, guys? Any other query? Yes. Yes, mock tests are available. Yes, mock tests are available. I guess I have already given you the idea. How the live trainings happen, I guess you have got the idea that weekly 3 live sessions will be we will be starting with. But 2025 batch, my sincere request will be not only live sessions. Along with that, you need to focus on the self-paced sessions as well, which I will be discussing on 17 June. Manushri, what you can do later on, once you get the link on WhatsApp, you can try to open it, maybe on laptop or maybe on mobile as well. You can cross check it once. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. So guys, I guess I can end this particular session. I hope you have got the idea. Initially, the thing which we discussed, okay, about the placement cracker sheet, all this content you can learn this content from anyone. You can learn from YouTube, you can learn from offline training, you can learn from any other online platform, or you can learn from Talent Battle Masterclass. I don't have any issue. I just want one thing from you is to learn. Okay, so whenever you learn, make sure you make it like a tick box. Okay, so it will be easy. If you want, you can download that as well. Okay, so later on, once you make a copy, you can download that. You can take a print as well. Okay, if it is getting very difficult for you to, if it is getting very difficult for you to use Google Sheet, you can do that. Uh, Manushri, it will be available till your next year. Okay, since you have got 12 months. Okay. Placement tracker cracker sheet is opening, Samir. Many students are using it right now. Okay. Later on, maybe what you can do after some time, as I can check, many you can check it over here as well. Some students are already using it. I can see it. Okay. Yes, I have already shared it. Okay. Okay. So this is the content that you need to do. These are the coding statements you are supposed to do. These are the DBMS concepts, database management concepts you are supposed to do. And then the advanced DSA concepts as well. Okay. Now, some of the company specific trainings that we do, it will be happening live. Some of the trainings will be what I can say self-paced. Okay. And meanwhile, guys, I might have forgotten to mention this. Okay, you will be getting access to the doubt clearing groups. So whenever you are watching videos, so those 2025 batch students or anyone who is going to start with the preparation tomorrow morning itself. Okay. Suppose if you are watching a percentage video, if you get a doubt, you need to take a picture and post that into our doubt group. Trainers will be helping you to solve those doubts. Okay. So you will be having our continuous support. It is not only about live sessions. It is not only about the access that you get for the dashboard. You get access to the doubt clearing support as well. And suppose meanwhile, if you want to talk to any of our mentor, whether it is technical mentor, you want to talk to any aptitude mentor or general placement preparation mentor, we will be always available to you. You just need to send us email. We will be there. Okay. Uh, Vanchika is asking, can we get referrals from your place students? Okay. If they are placed in multinational companies, then multinational companies won't provide referral to freshers immediately. Usually they do it to the place students. But till now, whatever referrals we have provided from our side to the students are from our alumni only. So those who are working in medium scale company or startups, if they have any job opportunity at their side, they let us know. And eventually we tell it to our masterclass students and then they apply for it. Okay. But Vanchika, if you belong to 2025 batch, you need to first focus on campus and off-campus opportunities that you will be getting from college. And suppose, unfortunately, if you are not able to convert it, then in the last sem, you can think about the other referral opportunities. Prav, you will again get it on the WhatsApp in some time. I have shared it on the message box actually earlier. Yes. Okay, guys. So I'll be sharing the registration link again. Those who have already joined, I would like to congratulate you that you have taken a great decision for your career. 100% I'm sure that you are not going to regret that you joined this particular course. I'm 100% sure about that. But you need to promise me one thing, that you should be ready to take the efforts. Already some students have promised me, so I'm really happy with it. Those who are not joining right now, maybe just ask yourself a question. If not this, if not now, then when you will start and from where you will start. If you have answer with yourself ready that you will start from this date, you will start from this platform, then fine, no problem with it. But ultimately, you need to start somewhere because you have less time, 2025 batch students. Okay. So with this, I will end this particular session. Those who are on YouTube, I have added the link to register for the masterclass in the description. Okay. After this particular session, I will add the link of the placement cracker sheet as well into your description. So you can use it, or on your WhatsApp also you are going to get it. So you don't need to worry about it. Okay. So with this, I will end this session. I hope this session has helped you to get idea what you are supposed to do. Yes, thank you, Arti. Thank you for the feedback. Yes. So you have got the idea whether you join it or not, that is a separate thing. Okay, but getting idea about what you are supposed to do is also very important. Those who have joined, again, I'm congratulating you. We will meet on 17th June. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Tushar. Thank you, Ishwari. Thank you, Sanika. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Yes. So I will end this meet. Okay. All the best with your preparation. Please do not waste your time. Please make sure you start with your preparation for yourself, for your career, for your family. It is very, very important. Yes. Thank you, Vanshika. Okay, I will end the session. For the last time, I will share the link again. Thank you, Manushri. Yes, yes, yes. Don't worry. Manushri, just make sure you focus on all the activities that we are going to cover from 17th June. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys, I have shared the link again. I will end this particular session. All the very best with your preparation. Thank you.